On the installer, look for Eclipse IDE for Java and DSL developers, then click on Install and wait for its completion to launch the IDE. Choose the path for the workspace directory and click on Launch. To get started, click on the File menu in the top left corner, click on New and then select Other. It opens up a wizard to select a variety of project types. Scroll down to the bottom, find Xtext project and click on Next. Right here, let's set the project name, Xtext language details, etc. The project name is going to be org.xtext.adaptiveframework.toolsupport and the languages extend with the same package name with .eGEN extension. After this, choose the Java execution environment to be SE11 and apply the JDK 17 to it. We are now good to go. Click on Finish now. Here we are with the project windows open. Close the unwanted windows to maximize the editor area. Pull up your browser and open the eGEN's GitHub repository. Find the file dsl.xtext which contains eGEN grammar. Now copy the code starting from the line number 7. Back to the Eclipse editor, paste the code copied from the GitHub page here by deleting the entire code from line number 5. The Xtext code is now set. To the left on the package explorer, find the dsl.xtext file which is under the package name we have set earlier in this video. Right click on the Xtext file and click on Run As and select Generate Xtext Artifacts in order to generate the Extend Code Generator module for this eGEN grammar. Now that the artifacts have been generated, open up the Extend Code Generator which is the file dslgenerator.extend. Look at the commented lines here from line number 19 to 23. We need to paste the necessary code from the eGEN's GitHub repository here. Navigate to the eGEN's GitHub repository again and find the file dslgenerator.extend. Now copy the code all the way starting from line number 34 till the end, actually at line number 689. Paste the large piece of code from the GitHub page here. Now if there are some import statements missing for the Xtext grammar attributes being used, find them highlighted in red. Hover on them and apply the suggestion to fix the necessary imports. The Xtext and extend files are set. Now on the left, right click the project root, select Run As and click on Launch Eclipse application, where we can write the adaptation policies to generate self-adaptive. So this is the launched Eclipse application, the new one, not the previous one. Click on the file menu to create a Java project. Let's name the Java project as Test Grammar. The default compiler seems to be compliant with Java SE15, so change it to SE15 to avoid the warnings. Click on Finish. Let's do the module naming. Call it eGEN_grammar. Click on Create now. Open the package explorer now, test_grammar. Right click on src, select new and select file. Now name the file as sampleadaptationpolicy.eGen. We will be now converting this Java project to an Xtext one, so select S. For the last time, open the adaptation.eGen file in the GitHub repository and copy the entire code. Paste it here in the Eclipse editor. Now the .eGen file has two policies written. I'll walk you through this file of how to write an adaptation policy easily. Use control space to get suggestions. Inside the entity adaptation policy, users need to write condition block, inside which, using control space again, users can select and define the attributes accordingly. In this way, users can complete an adaptation policy in no time. The editor also highlights errors if the grammar is incorrect. Saving the .eGen file will create 4 Java files that are responsible for battery-aware self-adaptive location sensing in Android apps. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for installing eGEN. With Eclipse and JDK set up, eGEN can be installed and used in under 5 minutes. Users just need to use the 3 files as indicated in this video and will be able to generate the self-adaptive location sensing Java code for building Android apps.